Well, I think that Cobo Hall is probably one of the marquee things that we can point to. Other things I think that people forget a little bit is like what we did with the water. Think back to a year and a half ago. Everybody thought that there was going to be a crisis, there were going to be lawsuits, there was going to be a lot of issues concerning the water board, and there were going to be dividing lines. All of us got together, that or representation from their water departments, and we worked out a compromise that is now functioning.
One other area would be what was just signed into legislation, and that would be regional transportation, something, once again, that this area had been trying to get done for another 40 years or so. We've agreed, and without the four of us getting on the same page, I don't think that legislation would have passed. And I would bet on tomorrow when the Secretary of Transportation comes in and gets Detroit to $25 million, there's no way that M1 would have been able to go forward without the kind of support that we got from the Obama administration, getting us to $25 million, and all of us getting on the same page.
Great segue. If you think about it, Macomb County, we have assets within the county, but we also understand the value of the regional assets to Macomb County as well. Macomb County has always been a full supporter of SMART. We don't have any municipality that opts out in Macomb County. We just passed and supported the new, obviously, proposal for the Detroit Institute of Arts, the zoo, Cobo. Macomb County has always been a regional player and has always been all in on it.
So around the table, everybody, keeping everybody honest, on their toes, and you know what? Here's 2 years later, the black ball has not been dropped, and look at the progress. You can probably pick up one of the sheets they're handing out. We're coming in below budget. We've saved over, I think, was it $100 million in energy costs? I mean, the things that we're accomplishing. But behind it all, that you probably did not know, there's a committee of 5 who, like us, work well together, but nobody's had to drop the ball because now the decisions are being made in the best interest of Cobo Hall and the region.